Good evening, students. Yes, so I am back with my second video of the chapter second. Yes, in a previous video we have discussed what are the different types of teeth on the basis of their lifeline, what are the different types of teeth on the basis of their structure and function, and what were the different parts of a tooth. Okay, now in the last part of the chapter, how we should take care of our teeth, that is being left to explain. So on the basis of lifeline of a teeth, I have explained you there were two types of teeth, temporary and permanent. On the basis of structure and function, there were four: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. We have also discussed about the parts of a tooth, the hardest substance, the enamel, the pulp, the crown and the root, and how it is surrounded by blood vessels and nerves. Okay. So before moving forward, the diagram that has given the different parts of types of teeth, you all must draw this diagram in your copy. Okay, an important diagram it is. I hope you all must have gone through the previous video and try to understand the chapter. Yes. And the second diagram is that you all need to draw is the parts of a tooth. Okay, this is also an important diagram. So please try to draw in your science copy. Now I am moving forward, an important part, that is how we should take care of our teeth. It is very important to take care of our teeth. Tooth decay is one of the common diseases in children and adults. Tooth decay, very common problem it is. Okay, so we should always take care of our teeth. I hope you are brushing your teeth twice daily, in the morning and when you are going before to bed. Yes. While eating, how the tooth decay is formed, let us understand. While eating food, some small particles of the food get stuck in the gaps of teeth. Whatever we are eating, some small particles of food that is always stuck in the gaps of teeth. Some bacteria or germs grow in these gaps. Always there will be some bacteria or germs that will grow in the gaps. They grow on the food particles to produce a substance called acid. Whatever food particles that is left, that are not digested, that is left on the teeth, the small food particles, they produce a substance. What is substance called? That substance is called the acid. The acid softens and destroy the enamel. Enamel, the hardest substance that I have explained you. It softens and it starts destroying the enamel, causing a hole or cavity in teeth. Can you see the picture? The food particles were stuck in the gaps of teeth and now it is causing a hole in the teeth, that is referred as cavity. When this cavity grows and reach the pulp, that is the blood vessel, where are the blood vessels and the nerve, we feel pain. Okay, we feel pain. I hope you all must have understood through this diagram. When the pulp and the cavity, they start growing, we feel pain. What we feel? We start feeling pain. Okay. Now, therefore, we should keep our teeth clean, healthy and germ free. So, given are some points to take care of teeth. Some points are also being given how we can take care of our teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning at night. I hope you all are following this. Yes, we should brush our teeth twice a day, in the morning and at night. Clean both the front and the back surfaces of the teeth properly. Both the back surfaces and the front surface should be cleaned properly. Move your brush both up and down. The brush should be moved both up and down. Brush the chewing surface of the premolars and the molars. Both the surface of the premolars and the molars should be brushed off. Rinse your mouth after every meal with water. Whenever you are eating something, we should always rinse our mouth. Use dental floss to clean between two teeth, a type of liquid that is for cleaning our teeth. Eat food items containing calcium and vitamin C for the stronger teeth. For the stronger teeth, what we should do? We should start consuming calcium food items and vitamin C. Visit a dentist in every 6 months for the checkup. Every 6 months we should always visit a dentist, whether if any problem has not started growing in our teeth. Okay, I hope you all must have understood. One more thing is given in Let's Know More. If the teeth are not brushed regularly and properly, a yellow sticky substance begin to deposit on the surface of teeth. If we are not brushing our teeth regularly, 1 or 2 minutes we are brushing our teeth, so a yellow sticky substance begin to deposit on the surface of teeth. This is called plaque. What this substance is called? Can you see the picture? This substance is called plaque. Plaque causes foul smell in the mouth as it contains millions of harmful bacteria, and a smell, a dirty kind of smell start coming from our mouth. Yes, and it contains millions of harmful bacteria. And in order to take a preventive measure, what we have to do? We should brush regularly and properly, and we should always follow the tips that I have all explained you. Okay. Now I am going to explain the keywords that has been given. Enamel, the outer hardest part of the teeth. Jaw, upper and lower bony structures forming mouth. Temporary teeth, first set of teeth or the milk teeth in children. Wisdom teeth, they are the third set of molars. Root of teeth, the part of teeth that is inside the gum. Pulp, innermost part of a tooth containing blood vessels and nerves. Crown, the part of the tooth that we see. Cavity is referred as a hole in the tooth. Plaque, yellow sticky layer around the tooth. And floss, a thin silk thread used to clean between the teeth. It is a thick silk thread that is used to clean between the teeth. I hope you all must have understood the chapter. Yes, try to go through the video and try to understand the chapter. These are the keywords. You also have to learn these keywords. Okay. So till then, try to understand the chapter in a better way. In my next video, I will be sharing the question answers and exercises of this chapter. Till then, take care of yourself and study.